This is the lift at Montague Markets. Well, Otis isn't there. Okay, it's not very interesting Gen2. $12.75 kilograms, 17 persons, so free. Looks like everything's unlocked. This is free, so that must be. I know there's a big service lift which I came for the. Pretty much came for that lift because it looks really interesting, but. Might as well do the other ones. Just. This is pretty boring. It's fun, but. Runs good though. Doesn't sound the best. Build quality. It's not that bad.